doing?
Oh, hey. So I'm kind of at the point in this build where I need to work on the ejection seat. So I don't want to go any further, you know, with the cage and painting it and all that until I get it figured out how I want the ejection seat to work.
Okay.
But yeah, it's going to basically be for like unruly passengers, or you know, if someone says something that they shouldn't be saying and they need to be like ejected. So, but what I want to do first is I want to test it. I want to make sure this works. So I'm thinking we'll take this chair and we'll go test it. We'll see what happens. So let's take this out back.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that, you know, we're going to get the right height.
Okay.
You know, as far as so they clear the roof.
Okay.
You know, whoever I'm ejecting.
Oh, wow. I wonder who this is going to be that you'll be ejecting.
Well, like I said, it's going to be, it's mostly for people who are unruly.
Unruly?
Unruly people, or just like general attitude. I mean, if you get an attitude, you know, like, or whatever. So
yeah, you're going to eject them?
Yeah, you know. So we have a little test set up here. Come a little closer.
Yeah.
We have a little test set up here that one of my ideas was using an airbag as the ejection seat.
An airbag? Okay.
An airbag, yeah. Basically like an airbag.
Yeah.
You know? So this is just a simulation, you know. This would probably be like an aluminum seat or a racing seat or whatever. You know, something that someone can sit in, obviously, in the car, not a lawn chair.
Okay.
But so we have the airbag.
Yeah, it's just a test.
You know, kind of simulated where the bottom of the car would be is underneath there.
Okay.
And we'll put like a false little like floor so that whoever I'm ejecting doesn't know they're about to be ejected. You know? That wouldn't make sense if they knew, you know?
Right.
So this is gonna go here.
I don't think the cows are happy. They think they're gonna be ejected.
I'll eject them too.
You hear them?
All right, so basically all we have to do is put 12 volts to that, so I can hook up some kind of a relay in the car with a button. I have a bunch of extra switches on the panel that I can wire up to eject.
Okay.
But,
all right.
I kind of want to analyze this once it happens to see how high we get and all that. So I'm going to run this other GoPro over here too, just to see what it looks like.
The lift.
Like I was saying, I got an extra camera here set up so we can kind of, you know, go over the video and see how high we got, you know, to make sure that it's the right height. All right, so I rigged up like a cord here. You can kind of point at it. That's going to the battery on the Focus over there. And yeah, that's pretty much all we got to do. Let me turn this camera on and we'll do our test.
Are you sure about this?
Not really, but...
Okay, we shall see.
All right, that camera's running.
Okay. Ready?
All right.
3, 2, 1. Holy. 3, 2, 1. That wasn't very high though.
Not high enough? Yeah, I don't know if that's going to be
no, it wasn't too high.
Good to eject someone. I don't know. Let's go look at the damage.
Okay.
I mean, it worked, but I don't know. We'll have to go over that video to make sure that it gets high enough so that, you know, because when I'm ejecting someone, I want them to clear the roof.
Yeah.
Before they, you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't damage my car. I don't want them falling back on the car.
Right, so we got to look at the other video, see how high.
Goodness.
What happened?
It cracked the wood in half.
Oh my god.
This is 3/4 inch flooring.
That's crazy.
And it cracked it in half. Huh. I didn't see that coming. So yeah, I mean, Imagine if that you get an accident and that hits you in the face.
Yeah. Yeah, that could do some damage for sure.
So, yeah, I don't know. I think it's a success, I would say. I just got to review that video.
Yeah,
to make sure we get the right height.
Yeah, let's see the height. All right.
I mean, I'm not trying to like hurt anybody, but I do want them ejected. You know what I mean? So.
All right.
But anyway, that's the end of this video, guys. I'll check y'all next time.